Gifted Learners in the RtI Process by Allison Cannell. The target of this presentation is to analyze the relationship among gifted programming, differentiation, and identification criteria. This is Stephanie. She's a third grade gifted student. She's very high achieving in math. However, she has been struggling with reading comprehension. Stephanie scored below the 50th percentile on her quarter 1 reading benchmark. Her teacher is interested in scheduling an RtI meeting to discuss Stephanie's academic challenges. Tier 1 instruction is for all students. This focuses on high-quality curriculum differentiated to meet the needs of diverse learners. Stephanie has not been showing progress in reading with Tier 1 instruction. For the RtI meeting, the problem-solving team includes the parents, individuals who are trained to identify and understand the needs of the student, the classroom teacher, and the reading coach. The focus is to move Stephanie to a Tier 2 intervention in reading. These RtI meeting minutes to address Stephanie's academic concerns. We first start with Step 1, which assesses teacher concerns. The primary concerns are that Stephanie scored below the 50th percentile on her quarter 1 benchmark in reading. After working with Stephanie in guided reading groups, the teacher says that Stephanie can decode text but struggles with comprehending what she reads. Step 2 identifies Stephanie's strengths and talents. Stephanie is advanced in her math skills, loves soccer, and likes to incorporate movement in her learning. Step 3 asks the classroom teacher to review baseline data. The classroom teacher will show Stephanie's weekly iReady standards mastery data, as well as the diagnostic window 1 results. Step 4 lists behavioral and academic behaviors. Stephanie needs academic support because she is struggling with the Tier 1 reading instruction. Finally, the problem-solving team discusses the types of intervention. Based on Stephanie's needs, she will be placed on a Tier 2 instruction where she will meet the classroom teacher or reading coach for targeted small group instruction 3 times a week for 20 minutes. At the end of December, the problem-solving team will review Stephanie's progress to see if she needs to be moved to a Tier 3. In Florida, the Educational Plan team decides what services are appropriate for students who are gifted. The goal of RtI is for the educational system to meet the needs of all students by implementing interventions that allow the students to make continuous progress. Gifted students may need differentiation, such as RtI, to help them make appropriate learning goals. RtI does not replace the need for gifted classes. Rather, it is designed to enhance the core curriculum and foster continual high student achievement, as reflected by progress monitoring. While this slide presentation focused on a student who was not performing to expectations, RtI can also benefit gifted students who are exceeding grade level expectations. For example, Tier 2 services may include acceleration in core subject areas or enrichment in an area of interest. If you look at the proposed gifted inclusive RtI model, it shows support for gifted students who are not meeting grade level expectations, as well as students who need accelerated interventions.